So the company name is DevOps train. I will be the trainer for the DevOps coaching. Okay. So first of all, the question is you will be having in your mind, why should you learn the DevOps from me? Okay, well, I am. So let me introduce myself before starting the class. Okay, I will try to engage you as much as possible. Okay, so I am the senior DevOps engineer and senior AWS architect and senior Java. Prior to the DevOps engineer, I was in Java developer. Okay, and I have a total of experience, 10 year IT experience. I have cleared AWS, all the AWS certifications, and I also have cleared the Kubernetes and Kubernetes Terraform certified as well. I am okay, and I am working in Iris Software right now, Noida in, and also I am providing a training as you are seeing right now. Okay, and in my companies I have taken the multiples of interviews for the multiple technologies: Java, AWS, Linux, Java, DevOps. So these technology I have taken the interview so far. Okay, so I have taken the sessions more than 1000 right till now, and these are the companies where I have worked till now in my experience. Okay, the first of all, the important thing is that no company can survive without DevOps. Every company requires a DevOps methodology need to be implemented in their company. So without DevOps, no one can survive. Why? Why I'm saying that you cannot survive without DevOps? The reason is very simple, because DevOps is implementation of automation. Without automation, no one can survive. If you want to have some good productivity in your company and good quality of products, so you need to have implemented automations. So that's why DevOps is very important, to implement the automation. DevOps is all about the automating all the tools we have so far. So we have more than 1000 of tools we have so far in the DevOps. So but in the real time scenario, more hardly we will use the three or four the tools at the same at the point of time. Okay, but you need to be expert on those tools. It depends on the project to project, in which project you are working. Like if you are working in A project, or if you are working in B project after A project, so it might be possible, like in the A project you are working on the four tools, and in B project you are working on some different tools. So that can be possible. Okay, so but the concept are same. Some people are using the chef, some people are using the Ansible. So it depends on the project requirement, but you can be the expert in the market leader tool, that is Ansible, if you are asking about the automation. Okay, so these kind of things will be happen in your experience. Okay, so most people are all, I don't know who are from which background. Some people are here from the fresh, some people are here from the experience background. Okay, so I will explain each and everything from the scratch to make you understand whoever you are from which background. Okay, no need to have priority experience. If you don't have any experience, so that is also fine. I will explain each and everything from the basic to advanced. Okay, no need to learn the Linux tool, Linux operating system, and any other tool. Without the Linux, you cannot survive, because it is a base operating system for the DevOps tools. If you want to master the DevOps, so you need to have the Linux. But why I am saying that? You can be asked like Anshul, why I am saying that, like no need to learn Linux. The reason is very common. If you don't know about the Linux, so I in the course curriculum, it is included in the curriculum. I will teach you Linux from the basic to advanced. You don't need to be expert, you don't need to be understandable, like you know how to work on Linux environment. I will explain you from the basic to advanced. No need to have programming language, anyone can learn DevOps. In the real time scenario, most of the time I have seen right now recently, the Python is very important. In the majority of the companies right now, they are asking about the Python. Okay, so I will explain the Python as well as some basic about the Python coding, so in this course. Okay, so here, because I have designed the course as per the market requirement. DevOps is changing rapidly. Every time you are switching from one company to other company, So the requirement has been changed so far. Okay, the Python is very important, because in the without Python you cannot automate AWS. Here is a module, Boto 3 module. We will be learning about the Boto 3 module. So how to automate the AWS cloud with the help of Python. I will teach you with the projects as well to how to automate AWS cloud with the help of Boto 3 module in Python. Okay, so I will teach you about Python also. The more job for the fresher and the experienced candidates. Okay, because right now it is a booming technology, you can get easily high package. Even if you are fresher, you can get the salary of 11 LP, you can expect 6 LP. It depends on the company to company, it varies from company to company. Okay, so there is a very huge opportunity in the DevOps technology. That's why every company is looking for the DevOps right now, because the DevOps is eliminating the tens of jobs like tester, manual, release team, build team, or deployment team. So they are not requiring these type of teams. They are only requiring a DevOps team who can work for their team as well. More company are looking for the from abroad. Okay, I have got the question. So what is the timing? Timing is from 7:30 to 8:30. What the time is from Monday to Friday? So I say 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. So in the abroad, if you are looking for the abroad job, so I will help you how to get the job in abroad as well, because the company will not will sponsor you the visa as well once you have a job in your hand. Without having the job in the hand, they will provide you the sponsored visa. So I will help you how to get the job in the abroad as well. My friends are also working in the abroad as well. It is only the one single time premium as of now, 7:30 to 8:30. Give me a second. Okay, the salary structure is very impressive as of now in the DevOps technology. If you can lie, you can correlate with your current package and with your experience right now. Like if you have like 0.2 experience, okay, it doesn't matter like you are from which background, like you are Java developer, you are front end, you are back end, you are from which background, testing domain you are from. It will not lie on that one. Like suppose that if you are in 0 to 2 year experience, so you can get the salary of 6 LPA. This is the salary package of the DevOps person only. Okay, like if you are 2 to 3 year experience, so you can multiply by 4. Like you have number of experience, multiply by 4, you can get the salary what you can deserve. It is just the average salary, but you can it depends from varies to companies, but it's a average salary. Like if you have 3 to 4 year experience, you can get the salary of 12 to 16 LPA. So this is the salary structure, this is the minimum salary structure you will get. Okay, so that's why it is very demanding technology, demanding right now in the market. Introduction to DevOps organization needs. Every company is looking for the faster delivery. So if like we have a company, we have a B company. If the A company is providing the software development, like I got a one project from IRCTC, okay, and I have 4 weeks to complete the project, and B company is saying that I got a project of IRCTC and I will be completing your project within 2 weeks. So the IRCTC manager client will prefer which client, which vendor. They will obviously consider the quality and faster delivery as well. So without implementation of the DevOps, no one can get the good quality of products and faster delivery in the very soon time. Okay, so this is the faster delivery, high quality, lesser spending. Prior to the DevOps, we have a multiple teams: DevOps team, build team, release team, and automation team, and Linux team. Okay, release team, deployment team, testing team. So we have a n number of team prior to the DevOps. But as of now we have eliminated the multiple teams with the only single team, that is DevOps teams. So that's why, like, if you have a 5 member in each team and we are providing the 50,000 per month to each person in each team, and now we are providing the 1 lakh salary to the one person in a single team, that is DevOps team. So that's why you can expect the highest salary in the DevOps. No one can compete with a DevOps person. Okay, DevOps person should be the master of all the things, but master of one things, and but all he should know basic of all the things. You should know understand how the project is delivering from basic to advanced. Okay, you need to be have understanding on all the tools whatever you are requiring in your project. Okay, and you must know about the cloud. You must know the cloud, which cloud you are using in your company. You need to have understanding how to work, how the infrastructure is worked, how the infrastructure is built in your project in AWS cloud or whatever cloud you are using in your company. Always available. With the automation we can achieve the high 100% availability in very soon. Okay, once you implement the DevOps you can get the high 100% availability. So with the 4 point of reason, so we can expect the DevOps is very demanding in the current scenario right now. No, you can expect no company is working without the DevOps technology, without, because the automation is the requirement of all the companies, so they can compete together. Faster delivery, higher quality, because you are doing the automation, so you can get the high quality products. Okay, lesser spending. We have a number of teams, but now we have only single team that is working for all the project, and always available, because the automation you can achieve 100% availability, 99.99% availability. 0.1% is exceptional. DevOps is all about traditional issues and implementing complete automation in single stage of software development life cycle by using automating software. So we have this cycle, you can see in your screen. This is a cycle: build, code, plan, or monitor, operate, deploy, release, testing. So this is the architecture, this is the HDL life cycle we use in DevOps. So you can see, first of all, suppose that I got a project from IRCTC. IRCTC is my client. Okay, IRCTC manager came to me, Anshul, I want this IRCTC website because I have my railway stations in each city, but now there is a huge number of traffic in the window of ticketing. Okay, but now right now my requirement is I want to create a website so that every person can come to the IRCTC website and they can reserve the ticket. Okay, so they came to me and I need to create the plan first of all, because I need to create the website and we need to create the website application for my client. So what is my requirement? First of all, I will plan it. Okay, like how many months it will take and what is our features and what is structure that is going to we have in my plan. First of all, I will plan it. Okay, and then I will code it. This is a sequence. Once first of all I will plan the code, then I will then I will execute the code with the help of the developer team. Developer team will develop the code, they will write the code. Once the code is wrote, then we will build the code. It is all happening with the automating tools. I will teach you all the things in this curriculum. Then I will build the code. We have some, like, if we have a Java based technology, Java based coding, so then the build tool is Maven. It is a automating tool. Okay, the once the code is built, will automatically build the code. Okay, then the once code is built, then it will test the code. Okay, the once the code is tested, then we will release the code. Okay, and release team will, then we will deploy the code on the client server. First of all, prior to the client server, we will deploy to the all local servers. If it is working as expected, then we can deploy to the client server. Who is my client? IRCTC in my case. I will deploy to the IRCTC client servers. Then I will operate, like if we need to see we have some operation work that need to be worked to make it available for the applications, then I will operate it, then I will monitor all the times. Okay, so I am getting some questions in my chat box, so I will answer you in the last of the session. Okay, so this is the agile methodology versus DevOps methodology. Prior to the DevOps methodology, we were having the agile methodology. Okay, what is agile methodology, why it is so important, why is DevOps came into the picture? So that's the reason we are learning here. There's some lag, that's why we need to have the DevOps methodology. What is the reason? First of all, the continuous development. In the agile methodology, I will give you a sequence. First of all, I got the waterfall model. In the IT industry, the first one is waterfall model, then agile methodology, then DevOps methodology. Okay, so this is the current scenario in the IT industry. In the agile methodology, we were having the continuous development. Suppose that IRCTC client came to me and showed I need to have web application for booking the ticket. First of all, as per the agile methodology, I will continuous development. Development means my developers will writing the code. They are writing the code, right? Then we are just having the continuous testing, and then once testing is done, continuous integration means we are deploying the code to the servers. Okay, in the DevOps, what we are having the continuous development means we are writing the code, and then we are continuous. Once the code is wrote, then we are going to continuous testing. After continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous monitoring. Continuous deployment means we are deploying the code to the client servers. Who is my client? My client is IRCTC. And the continuous monitoring. At the same point of time, we are also monitoring the code, like it is working as expected or not. If it is, we are having some issue, we will troubleshoot the issue as per the DevOps person. So this is the agile DevOps methodology. We are getting the two more feature in the DevOps methodology, which is very simple, very basic. Everyone can understand why we are using the DevOps methodology. As you can see the difference, prior to the DevOps, we are using the agile methodology. Now the tools which I am going to explain from the basic to advanced in this curriculum, these are the AWS Cloud. I will teach you AWS Cloud. Linux, I will teach you GitHub for the source code management, where I will store my code. GitHub, I will central repository where I will store my code. Ansible, this is for the automation. This is for I'm just giving the one line answer, which tool is performing what thing. Ansible, like we have a n number of servers. Like I have n number of servers. I want to install one application to the n hundreds of servers in one line. Like I want to install the Tomcat application into the hundreds of servers, so I can achieve by the Ansible. Web servers, where the website is hosting. Okay, so I will teach you IaaS for Windows. These are HTTPD, Apache to Nginx for the Linux environment. Apache term code, this is for the Java based technology. When we are writing the code in Java language, so we will use the Tomcat application to deploying the code. Jenkins, we have n number of tools. We will automating the tools with the help of Jenkins. Docker Swarm, Docker Compose. Docker means like it's a Docker engine. We will deploying the code, deploying the application within a containerization method. So Docker is very important. Kubernetes, we have n number of pods. We can achieve like master and slave. We can monitor the n number of application with the Kubernetes master. I will explain from basic to in the very simple way, so you can understand how to work in Kubernetes. And Maven, where we have using the coding, so we will build the code with the help of Maven or Ant as per the language of the code. Just for an example, if we are having the code in Java language, so we will build the code with the Maven. SCL Groovy ML, this is a language we will be learning in this course. Okay, and also in the Python I will explain you in Python as well. Okay, CloudWatch, this is for the monitoring of AWS cloud. If we are going to monitor the application, we can achieve by the CloudWatch. This is the service of AWS cloud. SNS, IAM, S3, VPC, Subnet, IGW, Internet Gateway, Route Table. This will I explain as a part of AWS cloud. Terraform, this is the IAC tool. We can automate all the infrastructure in a code. I will write the code, I will apply the code, it will be deployed over the servers. Like I want to create a 1 server, 2 server, hundreds of server, we can achieve by the single of command in Terraform. Networking, this is a very crucial thing which I will explain from very deep manner. Networking. What is DevOps? Development plus operation. Like you are developing the code and you are also operating the code, but you are not developers, you are just reviewing the code. You just have a basic knowledge about the coding, but you don't need to be expert as of right now scenario. The solution, prior to the DevOps, we were having the two separate team, dev team, operation team. Okay, so why DevOps came into the picture, I have already explained. Because the developer are writing the code and they have they have just made new feature. Okay, they want to have deployed that feature into the servers, client server. So operation will ask like why you want this kind of changes. It is unstabling the environment. That's why it is blaming, each person is blaming to other team. Developer team is saying that operation team is taking so much of time, so they are taking lots of time where they are wasting my time. Operation team is saying that every time developer team are coming with the new feature and which is making the unstable the environment, which is unstable the environment. That's why we have a fight between developer team and operation team. But now with the help of DevOps team, we got the bridge. So now the productivity increase, because the DevOps person is who is having the understanding of dev plus operation team. Okay, here he is a common person, DevOps person is a common person. So we got automation, collaboration, communication. Okay, so these things are eliminated and now the productivity is high, automation is achieved, and now company is getting the huge profit. So this is all about today, and let me give you some brief about the curriculum. So this is the curriculum. Some people are pinging to me one to one. Okay, what is the curriculum? So this is the syllabus: DevOps, AWS Cloud, EC2, what I'm going to teach in the course, Linux, GitHub, Docker, where I will teach the Docker. These are the concept which I will teach you in Docker. Okay, apart from this, no one will ask you multiple question. Or I will provide you after the class like hundreds of DevOps question which I have designed from myself. And Ansible, which I will give, Kubernetes I will teach you, CloudWatch, IAM, this is a part of AWS cloud. Okay, SNS, Terraform, Maven is a build tool. Okay, we have a Java language, then we will build the Maven. Terraform for automating the infrastructure. These are the list of web servers: HTTPD, Apache 2, IIS. Okay, and also I will teach you the Tomcat. Apart from these web server, you can expect no question will come from out of the syllabus from the interview side. Jenkins, so I have taken the huge concepts, each and every concept I have taken in Jenkins, so that's why it's a course duration is 4 months. In the real-time project, I will explain you, I will guide you for the 58 project. We have a 58 live project. It's a live clone project, whatever I have worked in multiple industries. So I have taken that's not the real-time project, but it's the clone of the real-time project. Okay, 58 50 real time project we will be working in so far. Okay, so these are the, you will get the recording classes after every class. Soft material you will provide. Okay, resume we will validate the resume, we will make the resume for the experience and fresher as well. Okay, resume validation, my team will create the resume for you. Okay, and you will also get the, if you want to get the certification like experience letter 1 years 2 years, so I will help you how to get the experience letter, so you can get the job in experience level in any company, even if you are fresher. Okay, I will help you in that way if you want to get, because in the fresh, if you are the fresher, you cannot get the job in DevOps as a fresher very easily. It's very tough as per the right scenario. So companies are looking for the experienced person if you are, even if you are fresher. So you can get the like I will provide you 6 month of internship letter. Okay, and also if you want like 1 years of 2 years of experience letter of DevOps, so you can get, I will help you in that way. Okay, you can get the jobs in DevOps very easily with the 6 LPA or 7 LPA. It's the starting salary for the experienced person, 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so this is the course, we will provide the course certification, we will provide you. Okay, and after the course, after the completion of the course, you will get the one-to-one session with me on the career guidance. Okay, so these are the things which I will explain in the course.